Hey, what's up guys? Let's make steamed chicken wrapped in banana leaves, Mok Gai. Alright, let's get started. You're gonna soak your glutinous rice, sticky rice for a couple hours or overnight. Next, in a pestle or mortar, you're gonna combine all your herbs and ingredients. If you don't have this, you can use a blender. We're gonna smash it into a paste, and in a bowl, we're gonna combine all our ingredients. I'll list all the measurements and ingredients in the comment section. We want to let this marinate for 30 minutes. Next, we're gonna fold it in a banana leaf. If you don't have banana leaves, you can use aluminum foil. Next, place your fillings in the middle of the banana leaf. Fold it in half, then you're gonna fold in the left and the right. It's gonna create these little corners. Folding these corners, then at the tip, you can roll it down, or if it's triangle shape, you can just poke it through using a bamboo skewer in an over and under technique. Next, you're gonna steam cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. Once complete, let it cool down a little bit and enjoy with jasmine rice and sticky rice. Wow, look at that. Follow for more. Steamed chicken wrapped in banana leaves and jam-packed with herbs. So it's aromatic aroma from the banana leaves. This is such a comforting meal. I'm gonna be eating it with sticky rice. So we just dip this, that piece of the chicken. You see the herbs and stuff hanging onto it. Wow, look at that. Look at all the herbs. This is the dill, the rice patty herbs. ผักชีกินหมกไก่ข้าวเหนียวแล้วเห็ดแบบมันเหนียวๆนะมีผักชีขะแยงเห็ดข้าวเบื่อชอบกินหมกไก่กับเจียวมักเลน tomato dipping sauce. This is wrapped in banana leaves. Take this and you kind of just like smoosh it in hopes to get like a piece of that chicken. See that? Wow. It's like a finger food. It's like your nuggets or chicken.